Yeah, wait. Don't scroll yet. Don't scroll yet. Do you know there are different levels of dating? Each one has a name in English. And they tell you how serious the relationship is. Now, let's go from talking stage to tying the knot and learn English on the way. I am Tutor Adewale, and today I'll teach you 6 types of dates in English with real life examples. The first type is vibe check date. Vibe check date. Now, this stage is the early stage of the relationship where you are just feeling things out. So a very good example is when you meet at a cafe to talk and see if you like each other. So a vibe check date is that date you go to check if there is chemistry. So the second type of date is romantic date. Romantic date. So that this stage you are interested and now you are showing it. So when you take a lady out at that stage, you already have interest and you want to show it. So this kind of date is different. You know, you add the spice to it, like you can have a dinner with coffee, there'll be flowers, or maybe a kind of background music. You understand? You use romantic date when there is a real effort to impress or connect. The third kind of date is adventure date. So at this stage, the two of you are bonding through shared experiences. At this stage, you can go hiking, go to amusement park, cinemas, take it out of the four walls of a room. This kind of dating actually helps couples grow closer through excitement. Then the fourth type of date is the deep talk date. Deep talk date. So at this stage, there is emotional connection that starts to form between the two of you. So in this kind of date, you go out, spend more time together, talk about your past, talk about your dreams, your values, and you are together there for 2 to 3 hours. Has it happened to you before? If that is the level you are in your relationship, anytime you go out, it is called a deep talk date that you have gone to have. And this kind of date actually builds trust and intimacy. So the next type of date is the family introduction date. Yes, there is family introduction date. So this stage is when things are getting serious. That kind of date, you go to her house or go to his house to meet his parents, to meet her parents. It is called family introduction date. It is not the normal introduction that you get things, people are gathered, but just you and him, you and her together. You go to the family house to see the father, see the mother, and just show yourself as someone who is ready for that relationship. So you use it to win the trust. And the last type of date that you can have together is a proposal date. Yeah, a proposal date. So this is the time to ask the big question. Like when you organize a surprise at a special location with a ring. That is the stage every lady always wants to see in a relationship. And this kind of date is called a proposal, asking someone to marry you. So dating isn't just one thing, it's a journey. And now you know the English for each stage of dating. So you don't just say we are going on a date. We went on a date. No, let it be named. Give the date a name. So here's the question for you. What kind of dates have you had? Or which one are you open to have? Which one are you open for? Don't forget to leave a comment with that answer and subscribe, follow Tutor Adewale for more of this kind of real life English tips. Ciao.